Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Sign into Snapchat and verify your email or phone so you can change security settings. Once done, install Google Authenticator from your device store and open it. Make sure you remember your Snapchat password because you may re-authenticate when enabling two-factor. Next, go to Snapchat settings and locate login verification under My Account. These steps ensure you can pair the authenticator with Snapchat without interruption and avoid losing access. You now enable login verification inside Snapchat. Tap Login Verification, select Authenticator app, and choose Continue to reveal a QR code and manual key. Open Google Authenticator, tap to add an account, then scan the QR code. If scanning fails, type the manual key exactly as shown. Once the account appears, copy the 6-digit code from Authenticator and return to Snapchat. Enter the code to confirm pairing. This links Snapchat to your Authenticator and generates time-based codes moving forward. You finish by saving Snapchat's backup codes somewhere secure. Take a screenshot or write them down and store offline. Then test the setup. Sign out and sign back in. Use Google Authenticator's current 6-digit code to verify. Make sure codes rotate every 30 seconds and that your phone clock is accurate. If the Authenticator code is rejected, check time sync in your phone settings, use a backup code, or follow Snapchat account recovery steps. This prevents lockout and restores access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.